joining me today. Today I'm going to show you how to reduce knee pain. I want you to be able to stay all the way with me, all the way through, so I'm going to be able to show you how you can reduce your knee pain instantly. If you have a tennis ball, this is a trigger point ball. Grab something with that type of intensity where you're not going to be able to push in too hard. You don't want too soft of a ball. But what we're first going to do is come down here on the ground, and I want to have you sit on the ball, just like that. So I had a client recently that had some knee pain, and she came in and we started working through some of these things, and her knee pain went away for probably at least 2 weeks or so. So it can make a big difference. You'd start doing it repeatedly and it'll make a big difference. Okay, go and relax there. Now let's try crossing the leg over. What I'm doing is I'm taking 5 big deep breaths, relaxing through. I'm trying to sink my body into it. Let's assume my knee pain is on the right side. I'm trying to loosen up that hip and glute on that right side. So try 5 big deep breaths with the leg down. If you can, try to get that leg up and then get 5 big deep breaths there, okay? And I'm going to take you through exactly what I did to help to relieve the pain. I'm going to switch to the left side, but we're going to put this right here up on that hip flexor. So you're going to just come straight down, relax your head all the way down, just like that. So you can come up here like this, but that'll push a little more tension into it. Come down here like that, and your body will absorb in that area. And you're trying to get right up into that hip flexor area. Now, let's find a spot on the quadriceps. We'll try a couple different ones. So we'll go right here. So find a spot, and what you're going to do is come down and do the same thing. You're going to feel this a lot more, and then try to bring that knee up for 5 times. If you're not able to do that, just try to work on the breathing. Okay, and then find another spot a little bit lower. Okay, now we're going to go right inside. This is the vastus medialis. This one we're going to go right there. So think of kind of locking that in. Now I'm just coming in and I'm working through 5 big deep breaths. I'm trying to push my knee down into that trigger point ball, helping to break down the density of fascia. You feel that working? And you would work on both sides, but if you have kind of more of the knee pain on one side, you would just work on just one side at a time. Okay, now we're gonna go hamstrings. So sitting here, I'm gonna come right there into it and then put my leg out. And all I'm doing is kind of just leaning forward into it. And you should feel that just a little bit. It's not gonna be quite as severe in that area. Now, an easier way, real quick, that you could do is take the ball and then come up here, just like this. And what I'm doing is I'm opening up a 45-degree angle. So I'm pressing in, chest up, shoulder down. A lot easier if you're not able to get down on the floor. This one works really well. Work on both sides. Find another spot. You don't have to roll the ball around, but just hold it when you're doing that. Thanks so much for joining me. That will make a difference for you. For most of the part for your knee pain, that will make a difference on helping to alleviate a lot of the pain you're having. I'll see you again soon.